Assalamu alaikum viewer, you are on Education for All. This is a YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about naming and evaluating expression. We are talking about the naming and evaluating expression, how we evaluate expression and how we name that expression. So for naming the expression we use these two dots and the equal. This is the colon and a equality sign. Suppose we have a question. This is the our mathematical expression and we want to solve this expression for x equal to 4, x equal to -3 and x equal to 2. Now first of all we name this expression in this form. First of all we write is f. This one is the written example. First we write this sign, greater symbol, after that f and two dots, that is a colon, equal and x cubed, and this all values, the denominator is here. After that we use divide and then the second value. Here is this one is the grouping bracket, the small bracket, and their result is this one. We put all the values in this form in Maple. If we want to name any symbol, then we write this sign, the greater than, and their name is f double dot and equal. Here we want to calculate for different value. We want to substitute x equal to 4 and x equal to -3. First if we want to put x equal to 4, we use the subs. X equal to 4, we write this subs subs and x equal to 4, this one. After that the naming, we put the name of the function is f and this one is f. After that the semicolon, the result is 3/2. Now if we want to substitute x equal to -3, then we write subs and here is in bracket is x equal to -3 and the f, and we get the result is 4/3. Furthermore, if we want to evaluate the eval command to closely related to the sub command entering, that is eval f mean this function that we defined here, and comma x equal to 1/2, we get 1/3. What is different between these two? There is, if we use this word, we firstly use f, and if we use the sub, then we put f after the value of x. Simply you people can say that the sub and the evaluate command, eval command, are matching. In that case, when we substitute here the value is -2, then you can see here, if we put here -2, then we get the result is 0 in denominator, that goes to undefined value. And for this purpose, when we use these, the Mathematica gave us the error that we put here x equal to -2, and the error is the numerical exception division by 0, because here in division if 0 is appear. Now furthermore, this one is a function we give the name of f is g. The furthermore name is g double dot. This is the naming way, equal to the simplify f. If this is after simplification, we get the g in this form. It means we use some algebraic formulas and simplify this expression, then we get the new expression. That one is g, and this is the new expression. If we want to put again sub x equal to -2 in g, then we get 3/4. That's mean that the result is not undefined after simplification. This means that we see that the result is 3/4. The result indicate that x approaches to -2. We confirm this result with limit. This is the result, that the limit within the limit. In case of limit form, we write this one in limit g x approaches to -2 and get 3/4. Generally we use limit f of x at x equal to a to compute this one. For calculating limit, we use the word limit, and the limit function is discussed in more detail in next chapter. Let's here, this is the over problem. Over problem is this one. We want to evaluate this problem in Maple. First of all, we put it in by a name f, and after giving him a name, we want to substitute different values. Here we substitute and we get the results. In that case, if this expression is going to be infinity, in that case we simplify the f. And how we simplify? We write this command, simplify command, and the further a new result, a new function g we get, and after and we use -2, the over result is 3/4. This one is the some condition for Maple. In each case, the Maple does not remember anything we defined before our previous value. Let's suppose if we have a problem, this is the f, and we simplify this one, and getting this one, get this result. After we put x equal to -3, we get this result, and we use, when we solve this, always Maple use the f1 is the before value, but when we use the quiet command, then Maple does not remember all values. If we use this command, then we don't get any result, because f is here but not in remember to the Maple. In that case, you have to define again the f, or run again f, and then use this one to get the result. Thank you very much.